Hi guys, today in this video I will show you BlueStacks Lite full download process. So let's start. The first step is to paste the comment that I have given in the pinned comment. Once you have pasted that link, this type of interface will appear. It will be up to down interface and scroll down to version 1.0.1129. It will be too low there. There it is. Click on it to download it. Once you will click on it, another interface will appear. You can download the emulator from there by just clicking on the download button. Once you click on the download button, the setup will start. Download the setup. Once the setup is downloaded, open it and run it as administrator. To start the installation process, customize the installation in which folder do you want and then install it. Wait for it to install. Its size is 382 MB, so it will take a lot of time. So be patient and wait for it. After it is installed, open the emulator. Once it is installed, you open the setting of the emulator, and in the about section, don't update it, otherwise you will lose all your progress. Now open the Play Store. It will demand sign in, so I will meet you after sign in. After I have signed in, you can see that the Play Store is opened and there are lots of games and apps. If you don't find any game and app, search for it. Like I play a game 8 ball pool. I will install it from there. The game is installed. Like this game, you can download any game from the Play Store by just searching it and installing it. There are lots of games. So this was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tech and emulator related videos.